Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I have 2 lashes on. If you want to know how we got here, then keep on watching.
Hey guys, welcome back to XOXO. I'm back again with another video. Hi. Please don't mind my nail or my lashes. We're quarantining. Bear with me. I'm gonna get cute. I got some lashes coming in the mail, so I'm gonna get cute a couple days from now. Trust me. So today's video is all about the blueberry stuff that I bought the other day. I'm testing it out, I'm trying it out, letting you guys know how I feel about it. Alright, so I already washed my hair with the shampoo. That was pretty cool. I'm gonna show you some clips on that. Okay guys, so I already started off with my hair section in 4 sections. I'm gonna be using the blueberry by Curls wash. I pre-pooed my hair and I wish I didn't because I wanted to like give this product a fair chance, but I pre-pooed with olive oil. I'm just gonna wet my hair and I'm gonna take a little bit in my hand, probably like a quarter size, maybe a little bit less than a quarter, and put that directly into my scalp because that's the way I like to shampoo my hair. I put it in my scalp first, most of the product, and then whatever remainder, that's what I work onto my hair shaft. And I'm just gonna massage and get it in there really good. Don't forget to subscribe, you guys. You know I got a lot of good stuff coming up, so make sure you hit that subscribe button, bell notification, like, comment, share. But yeah, so I'm just gonna continue to just massage it into my scalp. This shampoo was okay. It didn't leave my hair feeling dry, as you can see, and it made my hair shiny. But like I said, I wish I didn't pre-poo because I feel like that's the olive oil that did that. So I'm just going to rinse it out, and then I am going to work on the back section now. My hair is so much longer than it looks. Shrinkage is real, you guys, because when my hair is wet, it's like so much longer than what it really looks like. But I'm going to wet the hair first, and then I'm going to work the shampoo into the back section like I did before. I'm trying to only take like a dime size, a quarter size, but it's a little watery, so it kind of like slipped a little bit. But I'm going to work that into my scalp, as you can see, what I'm doing here, and just massaging it in, and whatever is remainder, then I'll put it down the hair shaft. But I honestly just like to put the shampoo into the scalp because I feel like that's mostly important. And this is just what it's looking like with all of my strands coated, and it's all throughout my whole entire head. I'm going to especially work around my hairline because that is the part that gets the most product, such as edge control and gel whenever I put it in a poof and stuff like that. So yeah, this is just me rinsing it out, and it's looking really good. As you can see, it looks really shiny. My curls are popping, and I am actually going to realize that you're going to see my face when I see it. You know, I'm going to be like, oh wow, my curls are popping. Look at that. Like, okay, yes, like my hair is really defined. I'm shook. It's crazy because I never seen the shampoo do this before. So yeah, that's what I love about it. But yeah, back to the video. Now it's time to deep condition. I'm going to be using the Blueberry Bliss Reparative Hair Mask, obviously because it came in the kit. If you ain't joined my giveaway, make sure you join my giveaway. Go back like two videos. I got a giveaway on all this stuff right here that I got. I'm going to give it to one of y'all when I hit 100 subscribers. I think I'm at like 74, 75 right now. So we got 25 more. That's easy. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Like, come on. Re-wet my hair because my hair is dry. And then I'll be back. It's pretty defined. Like, I don't know if y'all can see that. My hair is pretty defined. Alrighty, I really hope this conditioner has slipped because the shampoo did not, which is fine and dandy, but I don't expect the shampoo to have slip. But I mean, if y'all could give me a shampoo that's gonna give me some slip and actually like help me detangle, that'll be great. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this up for a sec. It's thick. It feel good. We're gonna see. We're gonna see if it's gonna melt into my hair shaft. Okay. Ooh. Water just. Ooh. You see how that just went on like that, y'all? Wait a minute. This might be a bob. Hold on. Let me see. Okay. me see if I could go ahead and detangle. Oop. I like to finger detangle because it's like less breakage. Maybe we should apply a little bit more to the ends. Okay. That's doing what it's supposed to do. Finger detangle first. It's alright. And they said to massage it into your scalp, which I think is strange because I've never seen a deep conditioner say that. So, I'm gonna take just a little bit more on my hands. And then get up in there like this, massage it into my scalp. What is this supposed to do? This is a deep penetrating intensive conditioning hair mask guaranteed to prevent breakage, enhance growth. So it's pretty much a protein treatment, but it has aloe leaf juice in it. Chill. A little bit more. Okay, well this is it look like a lot, but I'm telling y'all, this is like the perfect amount of deep conditioner. I like to warm it up in my hand a little bit to get it like going. Try to get it all on my hair. I mean, it literally disappears in my hair, which I think is crazy and good because that's what you want the conditioner to do. You know, you want it to become, just melt into your strands. But at the same time, girl, give me some slip, mama.
And
I need a deep conditioner with slip. And this ain't it. This is not it at all. I like to put extra on the ends because that is the oldest part of your hair. You want that to be the strongest. Yeah, I'm gonna massage it into the scalp like they said. Okay, now we have this half of my head done. I'm gonna go ahead and do this other half. This is not a moisturizing deep conditioner. That much I do know. I could feel it. It just feels, it's not moisturizing compared to the moisturizing conditioner I do like to use from Shea Moisture, the Manuka and honey, Manuka honey and something. I'll put a picture right here. That, it's not moisturized. It's not like, it's not that. This ain't it. This ain't it with my two lashes. It's not drying, it's just strengthening. This is what it's looking like. This is the first side I did. This is the second side. Now, because I'm really tempted to put olive oil in my hair right now, because I use olive oil for everything, but I want to give all these products a fair chance. I'm gonna let this sit in my hair for about an hour, maybe. But try to do 40, 30 minutes. But normally it's probably gonna be an hour because.
Yeah, come on.
My bad, baby. You know you can edit that shit.
That's the man with the plan.
2 hours later.
What y'all think? I mean, my hair is curly. My curls are definitely defined. It doesn't feel moisturized, but it's not dry, if that makes sense. So that's a little weird. But I'm not done. I still have the, ooh, not this, the hair milk. I'll put the hair milk in here. And then the oils. So we gonna go ahead and get this a shot and see. Do y'all see this? Look at that. That's all my natural curls. I have absolutely no product in my hair, none whatsoever. This is what's coming out my scalp, my mind. Ooh, that's the consistency of that. It's like Yes, it's looser than the deep conditioner for sure. See what I'm saying? I got hair all over the place. It's definitely a looser consistency than the deep conditioner, creamier consistency. It's a consistency of hair milk. It is. I'm gonna apply this to the strands, especially your ends. Your ends are the most important part because it's the oldest part of your hair. Rake it through, praying hands. Oh, I forgot this. Okay, so boom. I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna do this in the scalp, and then I'm going to do this on the hair, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this little dropper here and just fill it up, a couple of drops, and just put that directly in my scalp. Just a little bit. I ain't use all. And just massage that in the scalp. Some of, oh, that smells like, let me ignore that. I'm going to take a couple of drops of this because it's very, very lightweight. Put this on the hair itself. Okay. To seal in whatever little moisture that we just got from the milk. That's the purpose of doing this. Especially on the ends. Concentrated on the ends because the ends are the oldest part of the hair. The ends are the part that need the most love and care. I mean, oh baby girl, they look great. Look at it. Look at it. That's just with the hair milk and the oils. Ooh, pretty. This part is the kinkier part of my hair. You could see the difference in texture compared to hair. Hair is a lot looser. The front of my hair. Oh, ooh, that scalp. That scalp oil tingles. Wait a minute. Oh, I feel it. It's tingling. Yep, it's tingling. I feel it. It is tingling. It's crazy. Okay. Moving on.
Okay. Right.
I'm just going to use a little bit of XOXO, the coconut one, and put my hair in 2 big twists. A little bit on the tip of my fingers. Just to seal the ends. Okay. Here we have it, folks. 2 little braids. The wash, I like. The milk, I like. Growth oil, yeah, we're gonna see how much it's really gonna grow. It's real light. It's light for me. I'm used to using heavier oils such as olive oil, castor oil, you know, Jamaican black castor oil, stuff like that. So this is a little light for me, but it's okay. Wow, this came to a shocker. I remember when I first got it and I put it in my scalp, it didn't tingle, but it is tingling today. I don't know, maybe because my hair is clean, it's freshly washed, but it's a cooling sensation. This interesting. This mask, now the mask now was okay. It's not moisturizing. It has a little bit of slip. It kind of can help you detangle, not really. You know, it all depends on the type of hair texture you have. So if you're like a 4C girl, you probably don't want to try to detangle with this. You probably want to pre-poo first with my technique, the olive oil technique, and then deep condition with this. That'll probably work better for like 4C, 4B hair. I'm like a 3C, 4A, 4B. So it all depends. Like I'm like 4B up in here, but then I'm like 3C around the edges. So it all depends on your hair texture. So far so good. My hair likes it. No, any noticeable different? No. The only thing that's really noticeable is the fact that it did make my curls pop, like pop. Doing its best and living its best curl life But other than that, so far so good. I don't have no complaints. I'm gonna continue to use it. I'll see y'all on my next wash day. I'll see you guys on my next video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Give this a thumbs up. Comment on anything that can help get rid of these dark marks or blackheads, because I have a lot of them. Please help a sister out, because right now I'm looking around, walking around looking crazy, and I need to get rid of these. I'm trying to get rid of these dark marks. I mean, my skin don't look that bad, but I need something.
Who's there?